So in this short clip that I've uploaded is advanced tendon stretch going into forward facing mountain climber. 2 middle springs. You're in the middle of your foot, pushing down through the inner arch to engage your inner thighs to pull up through your pelvic floor. Once you do a couple of tendon stretches, you scoop one leg out, try to do a couple on a single leg, and then pull that knee into your belly and try to put it back onto the chair behind you on the ball of the foot with the heel lifted. Once you get into your forward-facing mountain climber, your weight is on your back leg. Your pelvic floor and your hip bones are pulling back, and your rib cage is scooped into your thoracic spine. You can keep your hands connected to the chair. That helps with balance. I find lifting them up helps me keep a lift. Once I do at least 5 reps, I try to pull the pedal back up and stand on the chair in a nice big forward-facing